Really want to put it somewhere, somehow, some way up. Or even you can do it right here. I have wax residue on my. I put it right here. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna do my own way. I'm gonna challenge myself again, everyone. Okay, so let's move this one out on the side. And I'm using combination of that one. But you know what? Here is condensed glue gels. And I am going to apply whole entire nails. They are is really thick density, so it is okay for you to blend them nicely, and do not afraid of it's gonna be blending. And don't use too much or don't use too little, because it's gonna flood your crystal if you're using it too much. But if it's not gonna adhere really properly if you're using it too little. So I am using as right now is no white top coat. I'm floating on the top of the unclear condensed glue gel. Look at that. If you finish your nails like this, it looks really nice. But if you're not settled with that, you can't. Oh my god, look at that. I don't know. I'm about to use this. This one. But hold on. And then I'm gonna do the shield. I really like the other one too. I'm gonna go my shield to go upside down. I don't care. I do care because I do care. I love to bring it all beautiful design to all of you, but I don't care because I'm not afraid of to create something is different. If you don't like it, we could try something else. Sarah said that, oh, Nancy, you sound really tired. And I think, I don't know, Sarah, I'm always tired, but also I'm always being a lot of energy. I think just all because if I'm thinking too much, I guess. Okay, I really like this. Why I only have one of this? You know what? Here, let me show you, because I'm looking at in my mix bag. It's randomly. I have a lot of cool things in here for me to play with. That's why you see me. It looks like I'm find a different size and shape and the color of crystal to play with. Oh, find this one. I found that in my collectible mix bag. What is this one? I think this one is Mercury. But each of them are different. Every time you get it, you probably get a different one. But it's really cool and stunning that want something different. Watching a live video with Sarah today is so entertaining. You know, I can't wait for every time she go live. I'm so bummed if I miss her, if I'm busy working. And then you would think I would put, oh, this one I'm gonna put silver on it. Can I get a few silver? The silver beads, please, thank you. And then sometime I work and then I didn't get to see the notifications, because if I'm not on the phones, I'm on the computer quiet doing work, and I miss it. I'm so bummed because she's so awesome, so artistic. Thank you, Sarah, for always sharing with us. Look at that. I'm using silver because I did silver, shimmery silver, I think for the veins. So then I want to use silver for, make it look like a little wax residues here. I'm not worried. I will wipe it off with alcohol. I know, Sarah, I miss you, girl. Sarah, Vicky, and Brad were supposed to be in this coming weekend in Chicago, and for this year we, yeah, in Chicago ABS, and we couldn't go, but it's okay. We'll go into the shows coming, you know, when everything is good, and we can come back to the show to get to see all of you. Okay, are you happy with this? If you like it, then I'll clear. If you're not, I'll keep going until you're happy with this. It's different. It's really different. I've never done it. Well, we did something similar like this, but it's not like in a really dark background and with the dark colors, which is like passionate, feeling blue, and welcome hugs. So do not afraid of when you see something in front of you and say, oh my God, what the heck I'm gonna create with this. Just put it together and try it and see how it turned out. Worst case scenario, we can do it over again. Okay, so great. I'm happy with this. Now I wanna clear. Yeah, indifferent in a good way. Thank you, Whitney. I love you, ladies. Just thanks so much for the love and support. It's just really awesome to get to, you know, honored to share with all of you ladies, and we can learn it together. You know what I'm excited about? Get to see you, but then I will also like get excited and then nervous. Say, crap! What if Jennifer will give us, Jessica will give us the challenge again? I don't know how to answer her. She's fun to be like really hang out with. Thank you so much, Nuna. So we'll put that away, and then we'll come back with that once. I'm trying to. Okay, we did 2 of this. Oh, we did that, and then we have 1 of this. This one is the one we did it earlier, and like 2 of this is totally a different, like a lot of different designs that I would never think I would do it, because you're always doing it similar, same way, and you will never challenge yourself to doing it different. And not bad, huh? Oh, let me wipe it off with alcohol. Yeah, I think it's this one. Just using alcohol, and it's so nice and sparkle now. Let me wipe this off because I think I did some pigment earlier. Okay, to make ours nice. Good, now I'm gonna do a precision glue. Oh, Foxy, you're all the way from Australia. Wow, you never know. In one of these days, we'll be in Australia and hosting the class over there with the shows and everything else. So I am going to check. It looks good though. It's really just right here. If you're scratchy, then I just squeeze just a little bit. You don't need to do like a whole lot. 1 bottle of this will go a long way, will last you for a long time before you need another one. And I'm gonna use this twin tip brush and give it the swipe. You can see that if you see closer, you can see it right there, the extra precision glue that I have. I'm just blending it nicely. Great. And here for another 60 seconds, and this nails it will be done for us. All right, I would love to wear this on my nails. I'll be honest. It's really nice. You know what is live tutorials we get to sharing with all of you. It's not only to sharing, it's also really cool therapies for me. So I love it, and it's just really nice. Even I have no one's watching, for instance, I'm still doing it because I'm doing it for myself and for like whoever whole team would like to watching. It's just like a therapy. It's like the same, like I would sit here for hours and doing it and have, you know, like someone be company or no one's company, then I still able to do some fun things. I remember as when I was like, well, I don't know, it's every time something new is coming in or like a new some designs I want to create. That's why I love to hang out with you ladies for past week when I do my nails, because I would do the same thing on my nails, but then I have you ladies like I was there for quite a few hours. It's really nice to have you ladies hang out with me and enjoy with the way I'm doing my nails. Okay, so I'm gonna give it a little swipe and like clean it up on the surface and give it really shines again before I'm taking the pictures.